hello everyone للايف ميتينج اليوم. بلشنا باي ميسنج صراحة أول تريد على الضوء. هيدي هلا وصل للسبورت، ليكو هذا السبورت موجود هون كان، بعد هيدي النزلة لاحظوا السبورت عند رد شوي منه، بس it seems كأنه ممكن يكمل. هلا عنده مفروض كلير ترافيك باي ذا واي داون في حال قدر يكسر هذا الليفل. عنده هيدا السبورت اللي هون، يرجع عنده هيدا السبورت اللي هون، هيدا السبورت اللي هون. اوكي let's see كيف رح بتكون هلا الاوبن. رح تكون بعد شوي نيويورك اوبن. بدنا 3 دقايق تقريبا، بس نحن عم نفوت قبل. نشوف اذا كل شيء ظابط. اليوتيوب اذا ظابط، تشيكينج اليوتيوب شوي. سيت ابس جود نوت ساوند از جود. ايه صراحه مش غيرت البي سي، بس عم بحكيكم من غير بي سي لانه اليوم كمان جربت اعمل زوم كان الصوت جدا سيء. ذاتس واي غيرت البي سي قصد لحتى هذا الساوند بيكون منيح على الارض، ما بيكون في خشه. شكل المشكله هونيك كانت من هونيك. هلا انا رح انتقل للانجليش بما انه صرنا لايف. اوكي so hello everyone. We are just waiting the US market to open. Okay, live stream is working perfectly. Dow is moving down again, so let's see. It will move down. It will resume now if it reaches its low, so we have high probability to see the Dow moving down to 32,170. Yesterday was an amazing day on Dow. How did you close GU trade or still waiting to hit the take profit? I'm still waiting to hit the take profit, of course. Okay, so this is a medium to long term trade. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Now we are live. And New York open New York session just opened. JPY. Gold, let's see. Study on gold by Wael. Wow, big move up on the 30-minute candle. Let's see. Wow, it hits also the old support before it moves up. Look, this support line that we already placed here, this one, it hit it and moved up. I think something related to news because it's still going up. Let's see the resistance area. here. This is the first resistance area, and then you have the second resistance area and the third one, which is also double top. US30. I think US30 should keep moving down after this small like retracement, or let's see. We need a big move now. If and we are okay. Let's move to the lower time frame. Like the 5-minute candles. This is like this is like a descending triangle. This support line is important now. If we break below the support line, we should have like this move, almost like 100 pips. So if we move down, I will try a small sell with a almost 20 pips stop loss. I will try a small sell with a half lot with a 10 pips stop loss. 20 pips, sorry. GJ is still moving up. It's retracing. Now you can see like on the 4-hour, we can see like a double bottom, almost a double bottom formation. Look, this double bottom formation. And our target should lead us to this level, 150.07. Meanwhile, Dow is moving down. Oof, very fast. I wait the next candle. Oh. 742 here. This is a resistance. You can try a scalp here, but I think I will wait more for a move up. Like this resistance is much better here if it keeps moving up, because we'll have a small margin to the next one. Like our stop loss will be very small, but you can try the first one here if your account allows you, of course. The move is great. So let's see here the Dow. It's creating the shadow or the wick. Now resuming down means it will go to our target. Hopefully it will go faster to our target. Actually, if the Dow Jones would reach 32,165, it will be an amazing buy opportunity. As I can see, this is a very important level for the buy. From that point, look, this is a very good resistance here after this clean traffic, and if not, this is the second one. So it's but mainly if it goes like one way to this level, we will see a good bullish candle. So far it did all the retracement, it did the retracement here, but this doesn't mean that it will resume up. We have to see if this is just a retest for the support level. and it can resume down. If it breaks the high here at 32,344, this will be a bad signal for the sell. Gold, let's see gold. We can have a very good opportunity here on gold. I think I will take it at some point. Let me see gold, okay. If we reach 1745, I'm gonna go into the sell with a stop loss on 1748. On 1300 account, it will be 0.02. So if it comes down again, I will close half lot, put stop loss on entry, and leave a runner for the move down. Let's see. Meanwhile, Dow is retracing down, so now it should resume down. Three to 300, 3 to 250. This is a 50 pip candle. Let's see. Wow, gold. We are approaching gold. Gold, 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 gold. Gold. Our target is 45, 1745. This 5-minute candle is amazing. We still have 15 seconds to close it. Hopefully it will reach 4.5 before we close, as it will be great. And if it doesn't close, I will go into half lot, 0.01 on the close. Okay, so I sold like 0.01 on, of course, $1,000 account. This is my first sell. Of course, we will have another sell if it keeps moving up. Let me try to follow up on Telegram at the same time. Let's see. Hopefully, I wish it to continue. Look what this move. Wow, we are getting, I think we are making this sell almost at the top. Hopefully it will move up again, even above this, to this level on 1747. So we can sell the second one and like peacefully. Let's see. Now, Dow. Ooh, we missed this. Damn, we can't focus on both. We missed this move down. Okay, we'll take it as a buy. We'll take it as a buy. No worries. Guys, please, someone close the mic. George. Okay, I closed it by myself. Let's see. You have to be careful at this level. Let's put this here. Gold, 1 minute for this candle also. Come on, move up. Okay. GBP, JPY. Here we must have the GU. We'll talk about the GU. Now it's the tracing, of course. We missed the sell on the Dow. After it opens, had a shadow up. Here the sell 32,246 with a stop loss above. That's okay. Shift السell على الجولد. Yes. Dow still moving down. Can you explain why? Because we have a resistance here after all this move up. We have a good resistance. Actually, we took it before like $1, but we have the second sell. It will be like we will be waiting for it here at 1747. We have a huge move up. If we are taking as Elliott waves, that is a 1, 2. This is a 1, 2. 1, 2. This is 3. So soon here or here we'll have the 4. And if you want to resume up, we'll get up. But most probably we should like retrace from this level. Most probably. Dow, we don't want to miss the Dow. The buy. My first buy will be here, 32,155 after this move. Wow, this is an amazing reversal on gold. Hopefully we will see it like going like 3 pips. This is an amazing reversal. Hopefully it will resume down. It should. Okay. Our trade is now in profit, small profit now. Let's see. Will it retrace? If it reached that level, 174230, we can close our trade, making like around, we are 1744, we can making like 20 pips if it resumes down. Here the Dow is tracing a bit. Gold. Here we are. Here we are with gold. We are now 10 pips profit. You can secure your profit if you want. The problem is that I didn't get into full lot, so I have to close all the trade. I don't have the option to have half close. Knowing that when I close the trade, I still expect the gold to go like 20 pips further. But as part of my risk management, I have to close it. And now, of course, I'm out of gold. Thanks. You're welcome, Elias. You're welcome. But now, what's mainly what I'm sure about mainly in this trade. So if it reaches my entry point again, which is here, now my stop loss is at entry, and this is my take profit. So now my stop loss is that entry. So there is no way I can lose this trade anymore. Okay, and as you can see, a reversal, and it hit almost, oh, the support. Come on, come on. One more move. If it goes down this time, it will hit our take profit, which is on 1742.50. Yep. Go for 250. Oh, trade closed. Congrats, guys. This is a first 20 pips trade on gold. Perfectly managed. We managed to get to the trade. We saw it as Elliott waves. At the same time, this resistance level, it hit it exactly as a sniper entry, made the reversal, and then the market went down. So congrats, guys. You can hold, of course you can hold. This is the trade, so you can see it also. Okay, the account is on the other PC. Wait. Actually, I'm still expecting the market to go further in this, but my part done. Okay, and this is the trade. Gold 1744.43, 1742.15. Almost it's $2. So it's 20 pip on gold skull trade. Congrats to all people who were in this trade. Hopefully on the live stream also on YouTube, you took this trade. I don't know, guys, on YouTube, did you get this trade? Okay, to buy GBP since it formed a double bottom and broke the resistance. Actually, yes, if it break the resistance, it didn't break it yet the way we want. So guys watching on YouTube, if you took this trade, make sure to like our live stream, and thank you for sharing this also with your friend. As you can see, on a daily basis, we're making trades on gold, on US 30, on currencies, and profits are here. So it's about consistency, guys. Tariq, no, oh, Tariq, you didn't get the gold. That's okay. That's okay. Market is full of opportunities. Someone in our community took the gold, closed 35 pips. George, perfect, George. Ali is still holding, perfect. You can put your stop loss on entry and keep it running because I think it will go down further. Look. Actually, my plan was to get the full lot and then to close the half, stop loss on entry and keep it running. But because I took it here at this level, 44.38, not here at 45.50, like $1, I didn't take the second one, and then we close it. Zainab, I did perfect, Zainab. US 30 resuming down, it's like gold rocking and rolling. Yep, Ali. Exactly, we hit it sniper entry. This is our sniper entries. How much success we have in these entries, and actually it did also a reversal candle. It closed below the half of the previous candle, which means that we are down. Look, ooh, wow. Whoa, this is a big rejection. Now we are moving down. Now we will move to Dow, guys. Yes, indicator overbought. Thanks, Wael, also for sharing this study. So this is how we shed lights on this. Actually, we should have let like a runner, especially that after all this move up, now it's making the fourth wave. I think like Fibonacci, we are reaching the 38.2. It's 1739. We can reach even 50 and 61.8, but the first target will be 38.2 on Fibonacci, and then it can move up again. Dow, as we are expecting, we are still going down, and our buy option will be here on 32,155. I'm preparing my buys. Big move, actually. If you see the 30-minute candle, you will see so far big move with no retracement. It moved from 32,438. Oh, it's almost like here. If we reach 32,400, like 300 pips with no retracement. So it can be our first entry option. Even though it moves down to the next one, it's not a problem. I bought, but you are glad with gold. You love gold. You trade on gold. Did you take this trade with us? I bought on you at 30. The market had for 25 pips. Perfect, Ahmad. I'm glad, guys. I'm glad. I'm so glad to see you making money, guys, and to understand how this business can create income and money, and like seeing our live stream, our community growing that way. So it's really like nice in this situation to see people making money. Gold still running down. People holding like 5% made and still holding gold. Perfect. Also on gold, 20 pips. Perfect, Ahmad. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So let's see. Let's see Dow. We still need this move from the Dow. Come on, Dow. Come on. Come on. We need this move from you. Gold 50%, hitting 50%. Wow, this was an amazing trade. Actually, an amazing trade. Not to close. We closed it, but this is why I wanted to keep a runner. Perfect. US 30. Yes. No, without a wick. Please, without a wick. If this US 30 moves directly down without creating a wick for this 5-minute candle, our buy will be well positioned at this level. Come on. Come on. Oh, please. I really like to buy without a candle having a shadow. This will give me more confidence that the market will move up again, and will give me more confidence in the trade that I'm executing. Ah, it did the shadow. It just filled the wick and it did the shadow. Ah, that's okay. Gold. Now breaking the 50%. Gold will move forward to 75. Let's see if when it will break this level. Oh, no. It was so near. Let's wait and see. I still believe we have a move down. Let's wait and see. Hello, I have a question. Can you learn Forex online without buying any course? And what's the difference between buying a course and learning online? Look, actually, of course, you can learn from without buying a course. Mainly, buying a course will help you to understand the strategy, exact strategy on which uh, anyone is working or the person is working. For me, if you watch the live stream a lot, like every day, this will create a certain skill with you. But personally, oh, this is the buy I wanted to take. We needed like 10, 15 pips more, and we were in this buy to get this move. That's okay. So getting the program is like, for example, someone asked me, can I learn how to drive without actually learn how to drive, just by watching other people driving and trying to sit next to the driver and understand how he drives? Of course, you can do this with time. You can, if you get into the wheel, you will. But some techniques, some strategies, exact techniques, how you can do it, how you can execute it in the right way. This will be by learning, by putting someone next to you and asking this guy to learn, to teach you how you can drive. So once you learn theoretically the system of driving, then you start practicing. Many people, not to pay any program or to get it for free, like they go into practicing before even learning the theory and having some example and practicing with the community like for 1 month at least, and then going into the real driving, real life, to start to minimize the risk of losing money. Okay, so of course, at some point, if you keep watching someone driving and you start like trying to drive, or you try to drive alone, it will take much more time, but eventually you will be able to drive at some point. But having someone or a mentor next to you telling you or explaining to you, this is okay, this is how I trade, but if it takes like this, you will make this. If it does like this, you will make this. So it will be better for me. So they complete each other mainly. But only having like free YouTube things, like not the live stream I'm talking about, some courses or techniques like they put online, but yeah, after having many accidents, true. So just like on YouTube, people are making this technique, scalping the Dow, scalping the I don't know what, trading the market, this strategy for free. This for me will confuse any trader, who's starting new in this industry and this career. So it will confuse him. I prefer personally to have a real guidance, and after this, I start practicing. USD CAD divergence. USD CAD. Yep. USD CAD. We will need this time. We will need a confirmation. So the USD CAD can turn and breaks down the overbought area, because RSI will keep moving up a bit. So yes, here it can be a sell. Look, the first time was a good sell at 74%. As you can see, the first sell was amazing. A sniper entry on the 72, the 70. Look how exact the 74% is. And you can take this. Now, we can expect even a double top or a higher now high. And then we can see once it breaks again down, so we can start selling. Actually, I didn't like the Dow move. We were so near to have our first buy, but now if it keeps like this and breaks the high, this resistance, look, now this is a resistance after it was a support. We can see like the down move is done, and maybe the Dow will resume up as it's doing now. It was so, let me see if I did put like something wrong here. Made me doubt my no, it was perfect. It was super perfect. I don't know why it retraced before 20 pips. This is sometimes how we don't take trades. But look, it was so high at the top. Look at this resistance at the resistance here, but it became a support. It was like amazingly chosen. As you say, there is no doubt on this support. So bad it didn't hit it. We need like just now it's up. Now it's moving up. Most probably it will keep moving up. This is the reversal. Let's see. GBP USD it's moving up. Breaking this resistance also is important. DJ 1. Yes, actually, GBP USD seems like retracing. We are Thursday afternoon. I was hoping like this. Where do you have this take profit? I was hoping like this. Uh, 36.15. We need like 60 pips. No, it could. It's not feasible. GBP USD. Yes, 30. Wow. I think now it create a support, created a support and very high probability to keep moving up if it does not break the support or this low. We can see the US 30 if it breaks this high, we can see the US 30 moving up. Stop loss 32278. If I won't take this as a buy now, but I think like the Dow will resume up now to this level, 32,675, like 75 pips. The candle closed above the support line. At the same time, it opened, made a shadow or retraced this, and it's moving up. So if everything goes in the right way, so we should see the US 30 moving up and reaching like 70 pips. I always say it is if everything goes in the right way, because you never know. This can be the buy at this level normally. This is the target, and this is your stop loss. This can be a very good buy opportunity. Let's see, it's like visual. I'm not into this trade. I didn't take it live, but let's see how much it will get to the point we expect. Also, GJ should be moving up. Dow from 32, 310, stop loss 32, and you have only like 26 pip stop loss and 64 pip take profit after breaking this resistance, closing here and then moving up. So it should no way شو حافظه مين شو الحافظ. So AUD USD هلا we'll see it. Just let me check here the Dow. Okay, it's moving up again. We are almost reaching our target. We still need like this push, 30 pips. 30 pips is all what we need. Yeah, 30 of course. And this is why I always tell you, when you watch or this is why, like you can see, I open only 4 trades in scalp, like which is the Dow Jones, US 30, GBP, JPY, GBP USD, as we are already in this trade, and of course the gold. So these are mainly, for example, now at this point, closing half lot and putting stop loss at the entry. يعني normally you close half lot and you put your stop loss at entry. So at that level, you won't be losing money anymore. And this is why, yes, I say when I was saying, when you master certain pair, like for me, it's more like US 30, the main, gold second, and GBP, JPY, the third one. So once you master a certain trade or a certain pair, you will be able to make money from this pair or these 2 pairs or 3 pairs like you are working. You don't need more than 2 or 3 pairs in scalp. Especially I'm talking about the scalp. Okay, for swing trade, you can work on 26 pairs. On swing trade, you can work on 26 pairs. But while scalping, sorry, there are people, you have to do this. Hello, and I think April I will buy membership, بس سؤال أي broker now عم تستعمل CFI ولا FX Grow? Royal, CFI, FX Grow. But mainly also we have like a deal with them to have the lower possible cost at the same time. So we refer people to them as a community. So once our community is, people come from our community, so they have the Lebanese discounted price on the membership. And of course, they belong to our community at this point. I'm with Royal. I would go in gold. I was Royal, or I would go in gold. I was able to and did 10 pips. Thanks again. You're welcome, Elias. And soon, hopefully, I'm still negotiating with Royal if they can open for us the micro lots, because I'm executing now, on another account. I'm executing the Dow. You saw, by the way, yesterday. Yesterday was an amazing day. We had like, look, yesterday, this is only on Dow. I did around 5.3%. During the live, of course not. During the live, we did like 1%. But as you can see on our Telegram channel, I was sending you, it was like until 9:30 p.m. when the Dow was moving sharply down. So I was going into more trade. This is the $1,000 account. So we had like 5.3% on Dow only yesterday. Of course, like here was the studies. How did I took these? The advanced course is will be added to the old course. So you will have the normal course, which makes you go more into all the tools that we get. And we talk about the advanced course, the scalp on US 30 and on gold scalp, يعني lower time frame. All what you have in the program, we will use it on high time frame and mainly also on the low time frame. But of course, every time, everything that we have like more, we add it. Okay, like here, this was the entry. I was here showing the progress during that night. And this is, for example, the sell on the Dow we took, and some Ahmad, I think, on the community also sent it. This was the trade on. This is the reason we had like yesterday night a double top on the Dow. It breaks here. Look, it breaks here this level. Once it closed, I sold at this level and stop loss on the shadow on the previous level. Take profit was here and it hit it. And once it hit it, we took it as a buy again here. Once it went down. It was amazing. And here, why did I get like higher lots? It was simple. Usually, I go to into 0.02 for 1,000. Sorry. So I went into 0.05 and 0.06. Why? Simply because part of my risk management, when I put a stop loss and take profit like here 0.05, I was using the profits I made during this day as a stop loss. So in case my stop loss hit, that day would be zero. So I'm not sharing my screen. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry guys. My bad. Sorry. So I was showing yesterday the Dow, like on the Dow we did like 5.3%. I did during the live. We just did like 1%, but I continued to trade because there was many opportunities, and yes, we use MetaTrader 5. At this point, these are on MetaTrader 5, FX Drew and CFI. So here I was showing, for example, like this trade we took. Why did I took it like 0.05 on $1,000 account? Simply because I was using the profits I made during the day on the Dow as a stop loss. So at this point, if I lose, I won't. My day will be zero sum. Okay, so here was the trade that we executed, and I think Ahmad also executed with us. He sent on the chat room. So here the market went down. This trade on 5 minutes, on 30 minutes, sorry, we had a close below the support level, and we sold at this level. Here the Dow at this point half lot done and stop loss hit the next one. So this is also a profitable trade if someone took it. I didn't take it, of course. Look, for example, here in the community center. Okay, all the day was an amazing day. I was checking most of these trades, but I will go to yesterday when Ahmad sent the study with us. Look, it was like this one, for example, before the Dow that I took also. And once it's done, also. Okay, how do I get out? I'm stuck. Okay, anyway. Yeah. Oh, this is a loan. Okay. And take profit hit after he took it. And this is the power of the community center when we all work together and all show people how some studies and how we do this. So these are studies during all the day, GVP, JPY breakout. This was sent by George, I think. I'm not wrong. George, yes. So this is what's happening. US 30, let's see. Will it resume down or this is just a retracement? Your stop loss is your profit. You made the same day. That's very smart. I'll be doing that once I start making profit. Hello. Of course, of course. Yes, when you don't want to overtrade and you don't want to lose your day, yes, you use your profits or sometimes portion from your profit. Personally, I used all my profit that day because the previous day I had like 1.7% also. So I had like good results for this month, for this week mainly, and this month, but mainly this week because the first 2 weeks, 3 weeks from this month, I wasn't really focusing on trading. I had a lot of things that I did, and also the community saw this. But this week was great actually, and you can see how in 1 week you can do all the month's result if you really focus on trading in the right way. So so yes, I used my profits, and if my stop loss hits, then it will be I will call the day, and no profit would be made yesterday. But thanks God, we reached in 1 day 5.3% just by on Dow. Okay, let's see. We have like 1 second. Am I sharing the screen? Yes. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. I'm trying to get the chat. Someone, okay. I did it too, Elias. I used my profit for the gold trade today. Perfect, perfect. And when you do this, by the way, guys, when you do this strategy, you will be emotionless at some point. For example, when you see that, for example, during this week, like I made 5%, if I'm risking from this 5% only like 2%, and then if my stop loss will hit, then personally I still have 3% made as profit, so that's okay. Then you will be working emotionless at some point. Of course, you want to win, we want to win, everybody wants to win, everybody is excited to have this trade, this winning trade, but at least you will manage your risk and you will be able to handle these for example, loss if done, or your winning trades also at the same time. That's the main point, to make your loss small and your gain big. That's true, Ahmed. When you have your profits more than your loss, then you will be able to risk more. Not risk more. Look, this is not like risking more, like taking high risks. Risking more, which means on your trade, instead, for example, of risking 1% on this trade, if you see it like around 90% sure about your study and your system, then you can increase your risk to 2%. You can increase to 2, not for example, increase to 10% per trade or 5%. You can double the risk from 1% to 2% for this trade. And this is what using your profits. Being more aggressive, yes, not being more aggressive in the wrong way. Because most people, when they see their account growing and making profits, they think that yes, let's go aggressive, let's make more profit, so they get greedy. You must differentiate between greedy and risk management, uh, slightly aggressive, of course, and or slightly higher using higher risk. Okay, so not to be in the greedy side. Okay, because losing is gonna happen and winning gonna happen. So that's the secret to manage it. It's true, Ahmed. Oh, this is pure retracement on the support line. So now resuming up means level. We are going to the next level. This is a retracement. So usually here we have a new support level, and this is a buy option. Usually this is a buy option from this level. Once it breaks up 32,327, this could be a buy option. Oh, come to Lebanon. No, it is. Now the Dow should resume up. Should resume up. If it breaks this, now we should resume up with the Dow. Look, this support formed here. After all this move up, we have this support. Let's see on Fibonacci also. How much? Oh, 38.2. 38.2 on Fibonacci. With the support here, Fibonacci plus support, this is a buy area. Usually. Gold. I think gold is preparing to move down again. If gold breaks this support, look, 50% first. This is a 50% Fibonacci. And then we can see like we have this and this and this. It can be another move down towards 1733. GA. It's flying. Buy above this level. Actually, we will have to wait. I will have to wait personally because look what a 30-minute candle. This 30-minute candle is like a crazy one. You will be taking some risk here because the next candle could open, retrace, and then move up. Actually, I don't really focus on GA, but this can be an option. GJ keeps moving up. This is a retracement, and then going up again. If someone wants to buy at this level, you can, but listen to me, but your stop loss will be at 20 pips. So if you are risking 1% in this trade and you have a $1,000 account, you want to go into 0.1 with a 20 pips, it means 2% you are risking in this trade. So you would go into 0.05 on $1,000 account with a 20 pips stop loss and your take profit at around 40 pips. If you are going to get a buy on this trade, gold, as I see, the gold is moving 1, 2, and now we can have like a target 61.8 and 74, especially mainly if we break below 1736, then we can move at least 10 pips down, and to move forward more, we can move like 30 pips down. But as it seems like we are moving down. But let's see. Oh, Dow. Actually, Dow, it's 5 minutes. at this level, if it's closed here, open and do a shadow up, and then it will resume down, it will be a sell opportunity also on double. But let's see, we still have 2 minutes. I won't get any trade before this 2 minute done is done. So let's see, we talked about Euro GBP. Mainly Euro GBP, I don't trade this pair. Ali is an expert in this. You can send us study Ali if you're still with us. But sell is an option if we close here. Here, this is the support. Look, yes, it broke the support down. If it closed here, open a shadow and then move down, I think below this level we can reach below 0.8590, we can reach 0.8570. Tarek, I get out of the gold if it breaks 0.5. Did you buy? Zero point 0.5. Actually, in this live stream, it's an educational live stream. So mainly I cannot give like a signal view, like you did a trade and then I say to you, no, go in, go out. I do a trade live. I explain why I'm doing it. So it's people are free to do it or not, but it's pure, the target is educational, and I'm not saying to anyone buy or sell something. I'm buying on my account, I'm selling on my account. That's it. So 6 minutes, I think it will be a good sell on Dow. Actually, yes. Normally, if it breaks below this, you have to. You have to. And if you think it's an Elliott wave, like first, if you bought at 38.2 and then the second one on 0.05, you should get out or put a stop loss or on entry at this level. 38.2 and it turns against you and then you see profit, you should close it. Personally, I work in a very secure way. And oh, it did the shadow. I think we are moving more down now. If we break now this support, now it did the shadow up, it filled the wick or the shadow again here. So let's see how the US 30 will move. I believe if we break below this low now, below this low, which is the 50%, this means that Dow will keep moving down. Also gold, if it breaks below 0.05%, 0.5, we can see gold going down. If it doesn't break, we can resume the up move. UG. I think Euro GBP most probably go down. Mainly it should go down. After creating like a shadow, if we resume down, this means it can go down. Shadow formed again, high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Now breaking this level, I believe we can reach again this support line. Here now we have a support line. Breaking this support, we have almost a clear traffic of We have almost a clear traffic of 50 pips. So I will be selling at this point. I will wait the sell. Now I own the sell. I sold like 0.01 on 1000 half lot. I'm on the sell. My stop loss is on the top of this trade, 32,299 of this, because of course if it resumes up again and it breaks the low, the same candle low, this means that it's turning up again for me. It's not a valid trade anymore. But using these studies, closing below the support, making the shadow up and resuming down, we should continue down in the uh, normal case. So at this point, here at the sell, this is our stop loss and this is our take profit. Perfect. Still going down. We have a small minor resistance at this point, but hopefully with the volume, now we are still just 1 hour from the US Open, so we still have a volume. Hopefully with the volume, we do not stop at this level and it continues down. But to be safe on the same time, so far I did like 20 pips. I will close part of it. Okay, done, closed, perfect. So this is a big margin, it's more than a scalp. Here it is, this is almost a winning, also a winning trade. Actually, I closed it all because it didn't do a shadow, so I closed all the trade. 20 pips, Ahmad, perfect. Fred, perfect. Dow, Ahmad, nice. Yes, guys, this is 20 pips. Let me see the entries, and I will send it, by the way, on the... The problem is that you are working on two accounts. The main point that you are making money in this, I don't care, but I hope like soon we'll be able to make it on the same account once we have the micro lots on the other one. Because this is getting me annoying. I need to have one track record on one account. But it will resume down. As I can see, Dow will resume down if you have like it's still going down as we expected. It did a shadow and then it should resume down to this level. We have like 50 pips target. George, 15 for me, perfect. And this is our trade. Now this is our trade on Dow today, 32,244, 32,221. So we have 10 pips or 10, I will see on gold. And now we have our second trade on Dow, 23 pips. 23 pips on Dow, knowing that it can resume more down. Same for the gold, it resumed down. But the problem I'm taking half lots, not the full lot, so I cannot close. Should take 0.02 in this. Anyway. But you see how much when you do the right study and you do the study on the right way, so it's really hard to lose. Yeah, most of your trades will be winning trades. Most of your trade will be winning trades. Also, I hope people on YouTube channel in the live stream, they did this trade, they made this 20 pips with us, and also with the gold. So today, like, there is free money out there. There's free money out there. Wow, gold. We cannot focus on every trade, actually. Oh my God. You look how many opportunities we have on the market every day. Also, this was an impulse entry. We should have sold here at 17.36, and look, guys, at $2, also 20 pips. The first time we did 20 pips on that. For now, we have 20 pips. Let's put the text. Gold sell plus 20 pips. We have US 30 sell plus 20 pips. 20 pips only? No, it's more. It's 23 pips. Okay, so this is for today so far. And this is 74 also. Wow. Wow, wow. 10 pips from this. We really missed the gold. We really missed the gold trade. This was amazing. The break below, we can take it from going down, and then the sniper entry. And this is what differentiates our system from others. To be honest, guys, our system is based on two parts. The first part, we go with the trend, we wait a break on the price action with a stop loss, and also with our sniper entry, we go against the trade using the trend, using the big support line and resistance line, and at the same time Fibonacci levels, and look at this 74 level. This 74 level, guys, maybe from now on you will see people using it, but believe me, there's no 74% level on all books that you read. There is no 74% level on any YouTube channel you watch, because this 74% is special. I did, like, for the last year, special back testing on this level, watching every trade, how much it takes, and the majority of the trade that hitting this level on Fibonacci. So this is exclusive for this community, this 74%. But of course, now people watching us on YouTube and anywhere else, they can use it, and even they can spread it. But you have to know how to take it. I usually take it from the shadow to the shadow. Okay, especially if you have small shadows. If there is a big shadow due to some news, I don't use it. Okay, I don't use the shadow with big news. If you have very huge shadow. So let's see. Ahmad, we should be more patient since we knew it will go down for gold and US 30. Yes. Look, I give you the option, guys. You are not obliged to close with me. Personally, this is what I'm trading, how I secure trade. In my live stream, I secure trades. 20 pips or more, I secure. Usually, what you said, you are right. This is why when we reach gold there, I wanted to sell 0.02 instead of 0.01. So we close at 20 pips, we put stop loss entry, and we leave runners. Same we should have done for Dow, because there's no problem when we get to our 10 pips or 20 pips to put stop loss entry, and our stop loss entry hits. At the end, we secured some trade. So Okay, starting tomorrow or today I think I call it today, it's enough. But starting tomorrow, if there's no big trade, starting tomorrow, I will start executing always 0.02. Yani everything like there's no small lots, like one lot not being able to divide it. So we can always take a profit and put a stop loss on entry. To be honest, look, this is the Dow. It hit the take profit. It directly hit the full take profit. So you are right in this. But what I'm doing now, I was just securing trades, closing trades to secure profits. So people with us also can secure trades if they are trading. But yes, as we knew that this will move down, we should be more patient. Let's see now. We have a buy opportunity at this level. At this level, we still have 1 minute. Let's see this candle, but 32,155, we are back again. Again, I insist on something that we have a unique system. This system works with the trend and against the trend. We scalp in both ways, with the trend and against the trend. Some people just work only with the trend, some other people just work against the trend. We have both, and we are really executing very good trades when it comes to this level. Okay, now if now this candle made the shadow and continue down, I believe we will reach this point 32,157. So I'll be waiting this buy at this level. Now it's moving down again. Let's wait. Let's wait. Gold almost moving same as US 30. Yes, almost. But in the other way. Because when the US 30 is down, so maybe it's about the economy or something like this. As you can see also, people are moving from the stocks to gold at this level, not to the dollar, or else the dollar should get stronger and the gold should move down, more down. Now, this is not the exact situation. up, moving up. Now we have the move on Dow. Yeah, I will be with this study, but let me just follow up with Dow as I don't want to miss the stage. First, now it's top to this support, this minor support mainly. This is also a support, of course, but let's see if it will break it because we need this level. We need this level. Hopefully, it won't retrace from this support. Let's see. Mainly my focus now will be on Dow as it's the best mover so far.
Hello.
Yes. It's still moving down. This is the buy we are waiting for. Few more pips, 24 seconds, and the candle close. It will be amazing. Okay, I will go to the first buy here. My first buy, I took my first buy here, waiting for the second buy at the support to go into a full lot. And my second buy. Okay, let's see now. New candle, 5 minute. Still retracing down. Yes, 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 yes. Go on, go on. It hit the support now. Let's see this 5 minute candle if it will resume down or it will retrace. Actually, I think this candle should not finish without retracing at least to the previous support. Look, this move down, all this move should have retracement. Wow, this is a huge candle. Perfect. Yeah. Let's wait and see. There's no problem if it moves down again. Let me see something. Yeah. No, just New York session now. Okay, more move down. We'll be waiting for this level. If it reaches it. One minute 45 seconds. Hopefully it will reach the support before closing this candle. Yes, 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 yes. Perfect. Okay, another buy here, 0.02. The first buy was also 0.02. This is the second buy. 55 seconds to close this candle. And this is also before the 15-minute candle. We still have 5. Oh, this will be amazing. No matter how much it will go down, it will be amazing. Especially this support will be a strong one. If we reach it, it will be amazing. We have a 15-minute candle shadow that will be done soon. So let's see, 25. 15 seconds left, and this candle will close. Hopefully, we will reach this level before it retraces, even with the new candle. Open, go down. Without a shadow, it will be better. As much as it go down without a shadow, it will be better. Hmm. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's moving up, it's moving up, it's moving up. Perfect. I closed the first trade when the trade and below the 0.02. I will show it to you soon, but I'm still waiting this also to close. If we can reach this level above, we can close them. Or else, if it goes down, then we have a profitable trade. We took the profits and we will buy again down. Let's see. This 5-minute candle is part of the 15-minute candle. So we closed this trade 32,102, 30,120 on 0.02. It was amazing. So we did like 3.58. Let's wait here to see where we will close the second one. Let's see. If we check the 15-minute candle, I would love to see personally the 15-minute candle before this 2-minute 50 closing here below. So I can understand after all these 3 15-minute candle, we will see a move up. Wow. Now I close. No, I didn't close. Oof, it moved very fast. I was closing the half lot, the first half lot. It was almost on break even, but it moved down very fast again. So it's closing the first one and it moved down. I'm still a fan of this candle to close bearish. I wish to see the candle close bearish. Whoa, we are in the profit. We are in the profit. Oh, no. And this other, yani I forgot the first one. The first one made us, I'm just trying to close these two on profits also, the other trade. So it will be an amazing trade. I closed half lot on profit. I still have only 10 pips and I will close the second one. Perfect move for the Dow. Perfect move for the Dow. This is what we needed. Half lot closed also. 10 pips to close the next half on break even. So all our profit will be from the downside. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's on profit. I close. It was, that's okay. That's okay. It's on profit. It was, but it closed like small loss in this, but that's no problem. Look, I will give you the result, okay? So I will send it and we will see it together. Look, it went up. So perfect, guys. If you close the trades, if you have profit, Ahmad, I closed them all. Perfect, Ahmad. Hope you had this profit. We had a lot of profits in this trade, by the way. Oh, and it's going up more and more. Wow, wow. That's okay. Okay, let's send it here and we will analyze it. Guys, this is the reward of watching our live stream every day. This is real money being made. Okay, I will send these trades. And this could be a reversal if we break this part so we can see it moving down. Let me see something. I want to send it to the Telegram so we can analyze this move. Wait. Okay, now guys on YouTube, did you get this trade or also you are just watching? If you get this trade, hit the like button and share our live stream, guys, with most people that you can. Seriously, this can make a real change in people's lives, especially in people who are losing by trading. You can really impact these people and help us to grow this community on live stream and staying here. Okay, so this is our trades for today. Okay, this was our first trade, 2.2929. So we had like plus 24. This is on Dow only. Gold, of course, we have the 20 pips. So now when we get to the first trade, I took like half lot. This was 0.01, 32,144.85. Okay. And then we took the second one, 32,135. So we had 0.02, the full lot. When I say full lot on $1,000 account, this is what I mean by 0.02. Okay, so we took these two trades, and then the market went down. I took a full lot on the support that I was waiting for at the beginning, to be honest, because we added this support lately. So it was 32,102, and we did like with this almost 18 pips, 18 pips with this, but on 0.02 we made 3.58, and then here we closed while the market was going up. We closed this trade, making like here -2, and here -2 and -6, so -8, -8 in this, plus 18, so it's +10, and we have here 23, so we made, look, this is 23 on 0.01, but this is +10 on 0.02, which make profits, okay? So as pips wise, we made like 10 and 23, we did 33 pips, 33 pips. And of course, on gold, I didn't send it yet, but on gold also, we made the profits. Wow, it went down again. Perfect, perfect, guys. Perfect. You are just hitting it in the right way, guys. Okay, let's put here also. Now on Dow, we have plus 33 pips, but with much more profit and money because we took the second one, 0.02. So we have so far gold plus 20 pips and US 30 plus 33 pips. So let's see. Do we want more trades or we stop for today?
More أكيد.
Yalla, let's see. Let's see. This move was a sharp move. We are still on the 4-minute. There is no shadow for this. This is a support line. Moved up. Gold, actually gold, it's not appealing for me anymore because the best trade was here on sniper entry. The second one, we should have it as an impulsive entry here, and then the 74% as a sniper entry also. So now I will just watch the gold as I can't exactly understand where it's going to go after this. So this ABC done as expected, it breaks this and it went down. The buy should have been here on 74%. And if you have like a position buy here or buy here, you should have been closing this as an averaging. And now you can be watching the gold. Now I don't trade the gold anymore for today, but as if I have more opportunities here on, look, oh, the 15-minute candle is still bearish. The 15-minute candle is still a bearish one, and we are still going down in this. Oh, once it breaks this support, this was a trade to keep, Ahmad. These runners, we must keep these runners, ya Ahmad. I know you are saying this now. But this is perfect, guys. Every day we are making around. Now we did like more than 1%, I think. Oh, no, it's around 1%. We are almost every day on live during doing 1%. Almost. Sometimes, of course, we have like dead, I call it dead season. So that time where market is not really moving, so there is no opportunities. We have to be patient also in this and see like, okay, it's not the best time to take trades now. We can wait. You can just wait to see when is the better time to get trades, not just pushing trades. This is it, guys. I was waiting this support. This is the biggest support. And look how it's moving up. Sometimes waiting these supports, we cannot hit it 100%. We must, this is why for the first time, for example, here, I took 0.01 and then when it went down 0.01, the second one, just not to miss this trade. And here I took the 0.02 here and here. Actually, I think we must call this day off. It was a good day. We don't have to ruin it. Gold trade profitable, Dow trades profitable, and we are still waiting GG to move up and down on the support. Yep. Hmm. GJ is moving down again. Whoa. Oh, we didn't see this. This was, oof, oof. This was a sell opportunity at 63. So far, 10 pips. We had 30-minute divergence, a clear divergence, also here on RSI at some point. And then we had the confirmation about this candle. This was a bearish candle. So normally we go to the 15-minute candle and we check if it opened and breaks the low, but here the problem, oh, okay, I wouldn't take this trade maybe. There's no shadow or there is a super low shadow. Okay, okay. Even though breaking this low, this support would be a good sell opportunity. Actually, these things also we must take care of. Look, this was a good sell. Look, support. All this is support level. And breaking the support should lead down to this level at least to 149.45. Also, by our advanced system, based on our advanced system, the sell. So we sell at this point and stop loss here above. This is a GJ trade we missed also, but of course we had other trade. We're focusing here on the Dow Jones and before on gold. So at the same, to be honest, we can't take every time all kind of trades and we can hit all the trade. We have to choose sometimes. If we are able to move in all trades, of course it will be the best option. But it's not always like this, and this is not a loss. This is profit. We are making profits in this. Dow, it's moving up again. GJ retraced, I think, was the up move of the Dow. We have a very bullish move from the Dow. Expected, guys, expected. And here was our buy. Damn. We have a divergence also, other than the support line, and this is the best entry when we go into a sniper entry with a divergence. So we had the divergence up in the 5-minute here, look, and at the same time we had a support line. It was 32,089 and 32,085. Wow. It was a 5 pip, man. 5 pip on Dow. We should have taken this trade. Even it's about 5 pips. These trades, we miss these trades. Actually, these trades are easy to take, but sometimes we miss these. We miss trades like these, easy trades like these. Yes, of course, Basita, of course. But no, دعم. I didn't sell the gold trade, by the way. That we closed it. Oof, forgot. Okay, sent. نشوف الداو. Let's see DAO. Like you said yesterday, Bitcoin is going down. Yes. Let's check Bitcoin. Yes, yesterday we were talking about Bitcoin and the most probable move to Bitcoin down. Guys, this is science. If anyone tells you that trading is gambling, these people have nothing to do with trading, okay? Trading is never gambling. Trading is science. People who are gamblers. Sometimes, of course, you have like unexpected events, things that happens. You take more risks. Okay, it can affect, but usually, if you go into every trade, yes, it broke the support and went down 52,800, and now we are 50,800, like 2,000 from breaking this support line. It's still here. Look, this was the main support line I was talking about, and especially breaking below the support line 52,145. And it retraced, it retested the support line and then went down again. Now it should have the first support here on 49,284 to 49,280, 47,225. Okay, so as we said yesterday, breaking this support, closing below the support at 52,291, Bitcoin should resume down, and then its first target could be 49,369. If it breaks the support, you have almost clear traffic to 48,192, and most probably it will move down to 47,168. These are the next levels for the Bitcoin, and the most important support we're talking about here, we are back to 43,676. If it breaks this level, you can see, okay, I think that you will have the full move. We will go to 48,056 as you have clear traffic here all this way, and we can reach 47,256. Then here, this level is a very important level. Breaking below 485 will be a small 80%. It will be a small disaster for Bitcoin holders at the top, because we might see all this move retracing. All this move retracing down, and you are talking here about almost 10,000. 10,000. Okay, but we are still far from this. Let's wait. This is as any other trade, any other candles. This was like a double top, almost like a double top. Let's move these to have it clearer. As you can say, this is first top, this is the second top, like an M, and we had a daily close yesterday at 52,322. The candle opened, made a shadow, retraced from the shadow, and then this was the selling signal for the Bitcoin, or the selling point, 52,000. And so far today it dropped $2,000. Dropped $2,000. Oh, it went really up. Yes, it hits the support. Let's see GBP AUD soon. This is crazy, by the way. Level. Oh, Dow. That's okay. So it's okay for the Bitcoin. So mainly now the target of the double top, also we must take into consideration the target of the daily double top. It should hit like this level, this support 46,296, but of course it must take some few days, maybe for tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, I don't know. It works like Saturday and Sunday, so we may see it going down more. Okay, this is, guys, exactly how much this business is a science. If you understand how to work it with the proper risk management, like if you are selling Bitcoin at this level, you have to put a stop loss here on 54,000, and the target now so far is 2, but look, this is your entry. Here is your entry, here is your stop loss above the support level, and this is your take profit. Your take profit, and your ratio is 2.61. Your profit is your full profit is full profit is $5,275, and your stop loss or loss should be 2,000, not more. Okay, and then it will go down. Actually, this is the only crypto I make a study about, because this volume here, the other currencies I don't give a shit about them. Okay, US30 is still moving up, that was moving up. Actually, I think we are done for today. If you have any more question, guys, please feel free to ask it before we close. Oh, we are not done yet. Wait, we still have to see the GPP AUD. Sorry, Wael. GBP AUD. GBP AUD. Ooh. Selling at this point is a bit risky, especially on daily chart. Because on daily chart, it's breaking the support line, the resistance line for me. Maybe it can close and then do a shadow down if you sell and move up. But what I can see that I'm not really confident about this buy. Look, this is the resistance level that GA may reach, for example. Can have like a clear traffic to this level. It's not like this complicated to go there. Look, all this area. You may say, oh, you might have here like a resistance, minor resistance, maybe, but I won't go for a sell now, even if it hit, even if it turns and go down again or give a bearish sign. I'm not confident about this sell. Let's see here also on 5-minute chart. Wow, 61.8. Our lovely Dow is hitting 61.8 in one move, like 5 candles. Nice. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the live stream. Hope you made money and you went into these trades. So this is a daily show. Please make sure to invite as many people as you know, many traders as you know, they are losing their money to join us in our live stream. We want to make it big in the next months, like 6, 7, 8 months, and even 1 year, to have a lot of viewers, people watching every day, more than 500, 1,000 people watching, and this way we can grow this for all the region around us and all the people, and we can make an impact for people trading in the market and losing their money. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day, have a nice eve mainly, and we'll see you tomorrow for the closing of the week. Don't forget, by the way, people, our community, tomorrow after the live stream from 7 p.m. Every person who is new in this business, who is new like with us, they took the program, the course, the community members. I will be from 7 p.m. online. I will send the Zoom link so you can ask all your questions from A to Z. All your question about the course, the program, the triangles, the leverage, everything from basic to advanced. It will be our weekly meeting. Every week we will have this this session all together, so we can share. First, I get to know all of you, and the second most important part, your trades. As we said, I really insist that you that you have journal for your trade, or every trade that you lose, and either you win, but mainly you lose, you take a screenshot, you keep it, so we can discuss what happened exactly, if you took it in the right way, or if you took it in the wrong way. Maybe the support wasn't the right one, the resistance, and or maybe the Fibonacci drawing wasn't that right, maybe the entry you didn't wait until it closed. We can manage and we can see all this together, so we can get the most benefit from this. Okay, have a nice eve, guys. Thank you. Yes, what a great day again. Thank you, guys.